Good morning, ladies. I am glad to join you today for this cute little card kit that you should receive either today or tomorrow in the mail. And some of you will be receiving the yellow card kit and some will get the petal pink card kit. But the outside is pretty much the same. You either have hello or love, and that I went ahead and die cut for you. As you know, I can't stamp anything to send through the mail, but I can do die cuts or DSP. So you'll have a bird to cut out, and you'll have either hello or love, and you can put diamonds on it or not. And I'm going to show you how to do this fold for the inside. And then you can stamp anything you want down here, or you can just write a little note on top and on bottom. And some people are even putting a die cut in the center and writing something there as well. So this is really very, very simple. And I've cased this from Karen Titus, who's my Upline's upline. So let me show you how to do that. All right, I'm going to do it twice. First time I'm just using any kind of DSP. You can do this with any size DSP as long as it's a square. So this one and the one that you have in your kit is a 4x4. All right, so she came up with a really cute way of remembering how to do your folds. She told a little story. So it was all about going on a camping trip and they were stopping for something to eat, and so they decided to stop for tacos. So she made one taco, or bought one taco, and then they bought a second taco. All right. Then they were still hungry, so they decided to stop for a hot dog. So we have one hot dog. Right. And then they were going to stay in a tent on their camping trip. So you kind of just pop this, and where your folds are, it will kind of, you have to give it a little bit of an encouragement, but where the that fold is from your hot dog is going to fold in, and you're going to create the tent that they stayed in. Okay, and we'll just give that a good press with your bone folder. All right, then they decided it was time to go home. So you're going to take the points and you're going to fold them in towards the center here. Okay, so just fold this in and fold this in so they both meet in that center point that's underneath, that's inside. All right, and so there's half the house, and then we flip it over and we're going to do the other side of the house. All right, now there's your house, but we've got these funky flaps hanging out. So all we're going to do is open this a little bit and put that fold inside, like so. And do that on all four sides. Just take that point, push it in, and fold it. Open, push it in, and fold it. So now they're at home. They got their house. All right, and it will just open like this. Okay. So then what you would do is take your inside of your card and you're just going to glue this, do the bottom side first, put glue on there, center it in your card, and then put glue on this side, close it, and then when you open it, it'll be like this. Okay, so let me do that one more time, and this time I'm going to do it with the DSP that you'll find in one of the card kits. All right, so let's do it again. We're going to do going on a picnic, stopping for a taco. Wanting a second taco. And it's silly, when I first heard this story, I thought, oh, I'm not going to remember that. But now, that's how I remember it. And we're still hungry, so we're going to stop for a hot dog. All right, now we want to get our tent up. So these two hot dog lines are going to go in, and it'll create the tent. Push down the tent. All right, now it's time to go home. So we're going to build a house, and we're going to go towards that center point on the inside. See where the center is here? I'm pushing the point to the center. I'm going to do that on this one as well. And reinforce those folds. And do it on this other side as well. All right, now we've got these funky points here, so we're going to stick those to the inside. In, open it, stick it in, stick it in. All right, there's our house, bone folder. Okay, now we've got our little card. So I'm going to put adhesive on one side because there's no back or front really. Well, I was going to say there is a direction to these. So, it doesn't really matter. You'll see that when you put it inside. So you can either put the tip of the house either on the white, or you can push it all the way up to the fold. I'm going to do it on the white. And then I'm going to put a little more adhesive on this side. Close my card up. And there you go. Okay, my birds are going sideways. So when you go to fold, keep in mind which direction you're going. But that's okay. Somebody can open it this way if they want. In fact, maybe do the inside first, so that if you put your paper in crooked or sideways, then you can put the hello or the love in this direction and open the card this way. Okay? So, there you go. Hope you enjoy it, learn from my mistake, and if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. Take care, and I'm sending you virtual hugs. Bye.